I am John Laspina, a carnivore, and let me tell you how I spend my money. I'm a miser. I like my money. I'm cheap. I don't want to spend my money and waste it on things that are a waste. So I buy foods that are full of nutrition. I will spend a lot of money on good food, but I'm saving a lot of money by not buying snacks and bad food. And in the end, I'm actually saving money by eating ribeye steaks, by eating prime rib, by eating really healthy shrimp and sardines and mackerel and herring and lamb chops. I'm saving money because I'm not buying the Doritos and the Pringles and the Pop-Tarts and the Kellogg's Post cereal and all the pizza and all the crap. I'm not buying any of that. I don't snack between meals. I don't have a desire to eat between meals because I'm full from eating a healthy meal. And that's where my money goes. So spend your money on meat. Spend your money on eggs. Spend your money on pork if you want, on chicken or turkey or duck. Spend your money on ham if you want. Spend your money on lamb. Spend your money, buy some good butter to cook with, and you will actually save money. Even though you're spending a lot on these few things, they go far, they fill you up, they satiate you, and you're not spending money on all the other crap. So we have to spend money. We might as well spend money on the quality of food that goes in our body, not the quantity and not the garbage. There's so much garbage out in the real world. You look at a standard grocery store, most of the stuff in all of the center of the aisles, not all of it, but most of it is garbage. Now, if you go around the edges, yes, there's the bakery section. Stay away from that. There's the wine and the alcohol section. I don't drink. You can if you want. But all the rest of the edges is all of your meat and your dairy and, yes, your fruits and vegetables. I choose not to eat fruits and vegetables. I spend my money on meat. When it's time to make a big shopping trip, I don't even say I'm going to go to the store. Let's go to the store. Let's go shopping. I say, let's go buy some meat. Let's go meat shopping. And honestly, I push the cart and I fill up with picanha, with prime rib, with ribeyes, with a whole bunch of ground beef. And when I get home, I put certain things in the freezer. I portion out all my ground beef into baggies and put some in the freezer. I put some in the refrigerator. I put other things in the refrigerator. And we stock up for a couple weeks until it's time to go meat shopping again. I do go up the baking section to get some coconut oil because I rub coconut oil all over my beard and on my face. I used to drink coconut oil and cook with it. I don't do that much anymore, but it's very healthy. And what else is in the center of the aisle? I don't go up the center of them. I used to buy pork rinds. I don't even eat the pork rinds anymore because I don't snack and I don't want more pork in my body. I want beef. They actually sell online things that are like pork rinds that are actually made out of beef. I won't name the company because I don't want you to think I'm pushing it, but you can Google that. It's pretty cool. So ladies and gentlemen, spend your money on quality nutrition for your body and your family's body. And it pays off in good health. So eat well so that you can look and feel well and become the optimized version of yourself. Have a good day.